acoustic echo. A soft finger-picked guitar can give a cozy and natural feel. My airy pads in the back graded a feeling of space and peace. Very soft bells or hard notes can sound heavenly and calming. Very soft or no drums if you use drums. Keep them very light, like a gentle kick or soft brushes. Sometimes no beat at all is even better for Bible verse videos to keep it calm. Very soft bells or hard notes can sound heavenly and calming, and calming, and calming. Very soft bells or hard notes can sound heavenly and calming, calming. Nature soft, very low volume birds chirping, soft river flow or wind sounds can create a heavenly, peaceful feeling. Colorful and brighter for Bible. A soft backwoods tone. So very low volume birds chirping, soft river flow or wind sounds can create a heavenly, peaceful feeling. Ooh, voicey but calm. Soft, emotional piano chords work really well for hope themes. Strings, good string sounds like a soft pad, add warmth and emotion. Acoustic echo. A soft finger-picked guitar can give a cozy and natural feel. My airy pads in the back graded a feeling of space and peace. Very soft bells or hard notes can sound heavenly and calming. Very soft or no drums if you use drums. Keep them very light, like a gentle kick or soft brushes. Sometimes no beat at all is even better for Bible verse videos to keep it calm. Very soft bells or hard notes can sound heavenly and calming, and calming, and calming. Very soft bells or hard notes can sound heavenly and calming, calming. Nature soft, very low volume birds chirping, soft river flow or wind sounds can create a heavenly, peaceful feeling. Colorful and brighter for Bible. So very low volume birds chirping, soft river